Happy birthday!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my birthday glam makeup and hair, and I'm also going to throw in a couple pictures of the outfit that I'm wearing. Yeah, I know that I've been lagging a little bit on the YouTube videos. I've just been honestly so busy. I go to school full time and I work about 35 hours a week, so it's kind of hard to fit in time to film videos and edit them and post them. It's not just filming it and then posting it. Like, it takes a really long time to edit it and crop out all the parts you don't want and speed up certain parts. It just takes a really long time. So that's why I haven't been posting as much, but I'm trying to get back into it as best as I can, and I hope you enjoy this video. To start off, I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. This is by First Aid Beauty, and it is the grapefruit scent, just because they didn't have any of the normal original scent, so I got grapefruit. For priming my skin, I'm going to start off with the Professional Pearlescent. Is it pearlescent? No. Professional, just the pearl, I guess finish. I think it's called finish, the pearl finish one. They're the same thing. This one's just has a radiant finish. I'm going to warm this up between my fingers and then start pressing it into any areas that I have a lot of pores, like around my nose and just my T-zone. To prime the rest of my face, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. This is called Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. That is a mouthful, but it's this Marc Jacobs one. While that's setting, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes. To prime my eyes, as always, I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyes roughly as a base. Taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, I'm going to dip into the lightest cream white shade up here. It's called White Chocolate. It's this one. I don't want to blind you with the lights that I have. This shade right here called White Chocolate. I'm just going to place that all over my eye and set the primer that we used. For the transition shade, I absolutely love this color. It is the color right here called Salted Caramel. I'm going to go ahead, this one right here, Salted Caramel, and I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my transition area right above my crease. The next color I'm going to be dipping into is right here called Milk Chocolate. I'm just going to dip into that really quickly and place that in my crease and just blend it throughout my crease really and make the look really blown out. I don't want it just directly in there to make it super defined. I just want to blend it out more and create more of that airbrush effect. I'm going to go ahead and darken up the outer V with the shade Semi Sweet right here, and I'm going to again blend that out, but just focus it more on the outer edge. Today for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I'm going to take this and blend it into the crease and transition area to tie my look all together. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in the shade 125 Nude Beige, and I like this stuff. It's good. For concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to put a little bit on my under eyes and just in areas that I want highlighted. Now I'm going to set my face using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to be taking pictures with flash, so I don't want any flashback, and I know that the Coty Airspun powder has a lot of flashback. I'm pretty sure that's the one that James used for Flashback Mary, so I'm definitely not going to touch that stuff tonight. Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is really, really dark bronzer, so I'm going to go in with a super light hand. For blush, I'm going to be using my favorite blush, which is the Tarte Amaze blush right here. I say this every time I use it. This one came in a kit, but they also sell it separately. It's their Amazonian clay blush. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. First, I'm just going to spoolie through them, and then I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas. So for some reason, the camera decided to cut out, but I just went ahead and filled in my brows with the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. That's by Benefit. And then I just set them with clear brow gel. Now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line. I'm just looking for the brush. There. I'm just going to take a super long and skinny fluffy brush. This one's by B. Bella. I don't know if I can find it. I'll link it in the description box below. But I'm just going to go ahead and use this and take the bronzer that I used, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and I'm going to buff that all on my under eye. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use Becca's Champagne Pop. I actually just dropped this, so there's a little crack in it, so I'm a little bit upset about that. But I'm going to go ahead and highlight the high points of my face, and then also I'm going to highlight my shoulder bones, my collarbones, and my shoulders. For my lipstick, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal J.Lo lipstick. This is in the shade 370 Jennifer's Nude. And then a quick coat of mascara on my lower lash line. Okay, now moving on to my hair, I'm going to do cute little like pigtails. I've loved doing that lately. It was my birthday actually yesterday, and I straightened my hair for my birthday, so it's a little bit greasy because I'm just gonna leave it straightened. But if I do these little pigtails, it won't look greasy. Okay, so I'm sorry if my shirt messes up on the sides. I mean, it's not meant for me, like raising my arms like this. So I'm gonna start off with a middle part and then just run my finger all the way through the back and grab this section of hair. The trick that I found for making my ponytail like kind of stick up and out, like make it look more voluminous, is I grab a piece of hair from the back right there at the crown of your head, and it makes it stick up more like a ponytail. So just like that, and I went ahead and I tied it off with a teeny tiny little black elastic band, just like that. You can get these at I think you can even get them at Walmart or the grocery store. They're just, that brand, what's it called? I think it's Goody. I think that's how you say it. That like basic hair tie brand. You can get them from them. Okay, that's good. So I'm just going to leave the two little pigtails like this. Yeah, I think that's really cute. I like it like this. Some people don't like these little pigtails, but I do, and I appreciate them, and I think they're cute. So this is it for my birthday glam. I'm going to put in some pictures of the outfit that I'm wearing and maybe some videos and pictures of the night. I'm not 100% sure, but I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'll push you as an individual. I like the blue part. And the other guys are flipping eggs. Thank you very much, guys.